natural hair is a wonderful thing. I'm so happy that my hair has grown this long, but this is where I started 3 years ago. Now here I am. I am loving the length. So I did individual sections of the Twistout, but then I decided that I was going to go back and do flat twist to get more definition. Rise and shine. It's a rainy day, so I'm going to add my holding spray. Oh no, that can is empty. All right, let's try that got to be. I love this on rainy days because it helps maintain my twist out. So I'm just spraying that all over, giving it a chance to dry. And then the rain will have nothing on me, honey. So let's check later today and see how our hair is looking. Here we are at 1 o'clock. Let's check. Yes. Instead of having a big old afro, I just have slight frizz, but looking good. Try this hack. See how it works for you. All right, my natural beauties. Later.